like Baby Bop's blankie, and red like the caboose of a train. All aboard! We even learned how to make other colors by mixing them together. You can make green by mixing blue and yellow, or make orange by mixing yellow and red. But when you mix red and blue together, it makes one of my favorite colors. Do you know what color it is? You're right, it makes purple. And red like the caboose of a train, yellow like Baby Bop's blankie, and red like the caboose of a train. All aboard!